folks, welcome back. This is Dinaz here, and we have yet another beautiful story to tell you, to inspire you, to help you to take your journey. A lot of women, I realize today that a lot of women are sitting out there in their homes with very minimal confidence levels that they'll never be able to lose weight, that they'll never be able to exercise in a group, that they'll never be able to do aerobics. And today I have a wonderful transformation story to tell you on the Game Changers channel today. We have Anuradha, and Anuradha, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for coming here. Anuradha, where are you from?
Hi, Dee. I'm from Hyderabad and presently staying in Bangalore. I'm so happy. Thank you for inviting me here. And I'm very glad to be talking to you personally like this.
Fantastic, fantastic. So Anuradha, when did you join the Dinaz Fitness community?
I joined in May.
In May. And prior to that, what was your lifestyle like for health? Are we talking about health? So what was your lifestyle like?
Actually, since the last 10 years, I've been doing yoga or walking, something or other. I do just like, half an hour or 1 hour. Not very regularly, but I can say more or less regularly. But I was never seriously into fitness or any exercise program as such. So I was just doing as a part of, something to keep myself fit. But I never took it seriously. And thanks to Facebook and lockdown, I accidentally came across your program. And that has been a transformation for me because you have brought out so many inner points that what all I have to focus, what I have to not focus, things like that. I don't know. I can't even express how to tell how many things I could change myself.
Tell me step by step. What are the transformations that you actually went through?
First thing is like I was very camera shy. So first class itself, when I joined your program, you told that video must be on and you should not be conscious of your body and you should be accepting whichever shape you are and whatever size it may be. That is one thing. And then second thing is I when I joined, I thought it's basically for my knee. I have knee pain, and I thought when I attended your webinar, I was inspired with the thing that Gopi Chand could play after the knee surgery and all that, thanks to your program. Your coaching. So I thought, okay, at least my knee problem will be started. I never expected weight loss, frankly speaking. And when I joined, and then after doing for 1 month, but I was very regular. I never missed any of your classes, nor any of your teaching. I mean, everything I was regularly I was working out. So, and within 1 month, I lost 1 kilo. And I was like surprised. What is this? I mean, it's like a miracle for me because last 28 years, I never reduced my weight. Before that, I was always slim. But after pregnancy, once I put on weight, I never actually bothered about exercise, and I didn't know the correct way of doing, because you have actually, that is the beauty of your program. Like, it's a complete package. It's not just one thing or here and there. So not just exercise. So that's what, then within 1 month, so much transformation. And I thought, oh my God, even I can lose weight. That means definitely, yes, if I can lose 1 kilo, that means definitely I can lose weight. So I started believing in this program more and more. And then I started following more and more. The more I followed, the more results I got. So every month consistently, I was losing 2 kilos. But one thing I would like to tell here is, if anybody follows your program 100%, they will get faster results. But I didn't follow it 100%, to be very frank. because like I was thinking, what if I, first of all, I was not having that kind of determination, probably that 100% I couldn't do, because I was doing little bit of binge eating more and more. And another thing is, I was thinking, if I do too much or too less, if I don't eat what I want to eat, how much ever I want to eat, then tomorrow when I stop eating, I may again regain my weight. So that was another fear I had. So I thought, no, let me eat normally what I'm eating and follow all the tips what you're giving. But of course, I never ate junk food, or I don't eat sweets normally also. So with that itself, I started losing 2 kilos gradually. That was even more amazing. I mean, I swear, then I thought, oh, Dinas, you're too good. So, and I'm not very expressive. Today, I don't know, whatever I talk, if I talk something wrong, please excuse me for that.
Yeah,
So,
I'm loving it. I'm loving
I'm
it.
just telling in the flow. So, it was a very good transformation. And another main transformation I felt is like I was so much conscious about my body and all those things, and I never actually had confidence about myself. Even though I had done my MPhil, MBA, I have so many achievements, frankly speaking. But in spite of that, I always felt that I'm not good enough. Because if anything you say, no, like I have ABC of everything, but I am not having any skill in one thing. So I'm not a master of any skills. So I always feel when I see ladies around me, friends around me, even my own family, my mother, father, my sister, everybody is very good, way beyond me. So I always have to have this inferiority complex. And then I used to think, I'm not so good looking, I'm fat, I am broad, so many things I had. That negative chattering was there. So your mind programming also helped me so much. So that negative chattering, like my slogan was to be like, see, if I don't eat, I feel weak, and if I eat, I feel tired. This was my slogan earlier. So, and another thing is like another negative chattering was like one of your classes you were telling me. Sorry to say this, Dee, but it's just coming out of my heart in the flow. So you were telling that if you exercise, you will feel energetic, and I was like, what? Only if I have energy, I can exercise. So that was my attitude. So, but then I never gave up. That is one good thing about me, because once I take up something, I'll never give up till I get the results. So, and I really believed in you. So I never gave up. And then when I started exercising, and because I love aerobics, and I always wanted to do aerobics. In between, once when I had a chance, I went for some demo class also, not now, some 5-6 years back or 10 years back, I don't remember. But the demo class, it was too intense, or it was too fast or something. And within one day, I used to feel body pain or something. And I was never happy with the way they have done it, probably. Or maybe I was not ready for that. I'm not blaming anybody. So after that, I never got a chance. But when I joined your program, I mean, it was like everything under one platter. And I am too happy. I am too happy even now. Yeah, I do wish that, I'd follow you 100%, but then it's practically not possible. So, but it's okay. I felt even if I do 80% or even 70% of whatever you say, and I'm getting results, what more can I ask for in this? So, thank you so much for this.
This is an amazing transformational story that I'm listening to, really and truly. I've spoken to so many people in the past, and I've interviewed so many people, but the way you have spoken, first of all, you're an awesome storyteller. You really speak from your heart, and I can see that the joy of what you have got is actually coming out in your story today, and that itself has uplifted your confidence levels. And I really hope that this message, this story, will go and transform and inspire other shy women like you who feel that they can never lose weight. And a lot of women also don't have the support of their family members. They say that, okay, you're good the way you are. But then you on your own accord have motivated yourself and have come out of your shyness, come out of wanting to do something for your own body, and that itself has given some great results to you. I think the results that I'm seeing over here in Shailaja's case, in Anuradha's case, is that the transformations are not only about weight loss. Today, the transformations, Anuradha, for you are weight loss is only a byproduct. Today,
Yes, very true. Yes.
your transformations are the glow on your face. In fact, I must tell you the secret that every time I do these classes, the live workouts in the morning, or even especially when I do the digital masterminds also on Tuesday nights or Thursday nights, I look out for you because you have a most amazing smile. And I guess this whole thing has come about also because of your inner confidence levels, your inner faith, your inner belief in yourself has really improved.
Thank you so much.
And are you able to radiate this level of joy that you have into your family members as well, to some extent?
Yes, definitely. Yes, 100%. Because when I speak to my family members, like especially my children and especially my daughter, she can see after joining your program within 1 month, when I started losing 1 kilo weight, then first time I told, oh my God, I can also lose weight. Deepu, can you imagine? That is the kind of talking I used to do with her. And she was like, oh my God, mom, my mom is nowadays laughing most of the time. So always she's laughing. So that was a great transformation. I mean, not one, another great transformation. So there
Wow.
are so many. And another thing is the beauty of this another program is, because I'm just telling this point specifically because many people who would have been doing all the yoga or something like that, like me, or walking, swimming, you told that also. So that's what, it's not like, as you say always, it is not a fitness program. This is a coaching program basically. So you are a beautiful coach and we are very lucky to have you here. So what happened is, you told that, you can do whatever you want. You continue to do your yoga, walking, swimming, whatever you do. So that's what I've been doing. So I do your workouts, plus I also do my yoga, because I have so many other health issues, like so many body parts are stiff. So I want to continue that yoga so that flexibility will remain. And you told in one of the mastermind sessions, that is another beauty of this your program. And in one of the sessions, one lady had asked that out, that in spite of doing workouts and whatever, still she's not losing weight. So you just told her that for your body you have to do HIIT. That's what you told her. Immediately I related to myself, and I understood, okay, even I am having the similar problems, so I can do HIIT. And in my own yoga class where I am doing, so they have the HIIT program also. They have so many batches, and I'm in the unlimited batch. So then I started doing HIIT. Earlier, I was so much afraid of doing HIIT batch, though I was entitled for it. It was free of cost because in the program, everything was there. But I never do it because of the fear that, oh my God, if I do HIIT, it will be very intense. Then my knee will pain. But after started doing your classes, you told, you have given us the beautiful that knee exercises. So
Yes.
I started doing the knee strengthening exercises. And with that, I had the confidence that, okay, anything happens, knee problem will come again. Dinas is there. She will give me suggestions. I can ask her and she will tell. So I took that bold step of I started doing the HIIT also. So I do your classes plus HIIT, and that has given me the beautiful transformation with regard to weight loss. But other transformation, everything is all because of you, of course. So that's why I told I can't give one thing about your program that has helped me, because each and every point, every aspect of your program has helped me immensely. So I thank you really so much from the heart.
How are your knees? How are your knees doing with the knee strengthening exercises?
Yeah, they're really nice. As of now, I don't have problem, frankly speaking. But sometimes, like when I sit for 1 hour in cross-leg position for doing puja and all, so just for getting up, I have slight pain, but that is like negligible. But if I don't sit cross-leg for such long time, I don't have pain at all, zero. So their knee strengthening exercises are must. So I am telling this again. If I have repeated, I am sorry, but it is definitely useful for others, because I want every lady, whoever is hearing this, I want them to know that even if you're not confident, even if you don't trust the program, even if you think that you can't lose weight, and even if you feel you can't diet, because till now I'm not dieted, and till now I still eat sweets. I mean, I don't eat sweets as such. I don't like to eat sweets, but I do binge eating a lot. So, but I don't eat fried foods and all that. So what I'm trying to say is, even if you have so many things which you cannot control, still don't give up. Trust in this program, do how much ever you can do, and you will definitely get results. Maybe instead of getting results in 1 month, you will get in 4 months or 10 months or whatever. So that's what I want to say.
Can you give your message to women, especially women today? Can you, because you also mentioned that your mother tongue is Telugu.
Yeah.
Can you give a message in Telugu?
Telugu? Yeah, sure. Why not? ఎవరైనా ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కనుక తెలుగులో వింటుంటే మీరు తప్పకుండా ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చేయండి. ఎందుకంటే నేను అసలు ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చేయడం ముందు నాకు అసలు నీ పెయిన్, బ్యాక్ పెయిన్, నెక్ పెయిన్, 3 పెయిన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ప్లస్ యూట్రస్ తీసేశారు, యూరినరీ ఇన్కాంటినెన్స్ ప్రాబ్లం కూడా ఉంది. ఎన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉంటే అసలు నాకు చాలా భయంగా ఉండేది. ఎట్లా ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ మనం చేయగలమా లేదా అని. కానీ ఆ ఫేస్‌బుక్ లో యాక్సిడెంట్ గా వచ్చేసరికి సరే చేద్దాము, చూద్దాం ఏముంది, తగ్గితే తగ్గుతుంది, వెయిట్ తగ్గితే తగ్గుతుంది, లేకపోతే లేదు, కనీసం నీ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సార్ట్ అవుట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఎందుకంటే గోపీచంద్‌కి నీ సర్జరీ వచ్చి చేస్తేనే ఈమె నేర్పిస్తే ఆ అబ్బాయికి తగ్గింది అంటే ఆయనకి తగ్గి ఆయన అలా విన్ అవ్వగలిగారంటే మనకి మనం విన్ అవ్వక్కర్లేదు, పరిగెత్తక్కర్లేదు, కనీసం నీ పెయిన్ రాకుండా ఉంటే చాలు కదా అని చేరాను. కానీ చేరాక ఏమైందంటే నీ పెయిన్ తగ్గడమే కాకుండా మొత్తం నాకు వెయిట్ లాస్, 30 ఏళ్లలో వెయిట్ లాస్ అనేది నాకు లేదు. అలాంటిది వెయిట్ లాస్ అయిపోయింది. తర్వాత ఏమో కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ పెరిగింది. తర్వాత ఏమో ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ అన్ని చేయగలుగుతున్నాను. ఆఖరికి హిట్, నేను అసలు ఎప్పుడు హిట్ చేయగలుగుతానా అనుకోలేదు. అబ్బో ఎట్లా చేస్తారో ఏంటో అనుకున్నాను. అలాంటి హిట్ కూడా చేసేసాను. అన్ని చేస్తున్నాను. ప్లస్ నేను ఏరోబిక్స్ అంటే నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం. కానీ ఒకసారి డెమోలకి వెళ్తే ఎక్కడొక్కడో వెళ్తే వాళ్ళ దగ్గర అసలు నేను చేయలేకపోయేదాన్ని. అట్లాంటిది దినాస్ ఏరోబిక్స్ మాత్రం ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్ అంటే సింపుల్ గా అనిపిస్తుంది. కానీ మనం ఎంతో 5000 స్టెప్స్ అయిపోతాయి. 1 అవర్ ఎప్పుడైపోయిందో తెలియదు మనకి. అంత బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంటుంది. కానీ తప్పకుండా చేయండి. మీ జస్ట్ ఏం పర్వాలేదు, లైఫ్ టైం ప్రోగ్రామ్. ఎన్నో మీరు ఒక పట్టు చీర కొనుక్కున్నాం అనుకుని ఖర్చు పెట్టండి, చేరండి, తగ్గిపోతారు. ఎంతో ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారు. ఎంజాయ్ చేయకపోతే మీరు టైం ఇవ్వండి అంతే, తప్పకుండా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారు. ఇంతకన్నా ఏం చెప్తాను నేను. ట్రై ఇట్. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
Anuradha, you have got me in splits today. I have done so many interviews, but you are really, really, really awesome. You know, the way you have spoken from your heart, it just shows that this is the transformation you have got. I'm sure that 8 months ago, you were not speaking like this.
Actually, frankly speaking, I do speak a lot, but it's just that this way I cannot, I wouldn't have spoken. Mainly thing, I wouldn't have spoken like this in public. Impossible. That would not happen. I would have first step only. First of all, I wouldn't have come in front of the camera. And even if I come in front of the camera, I would be shivering. So I wouldn't have been able to speak. 100% yes. Lot of difference is there. Great. Talking, yes, I talk a lot, but I can't talk in public. So, but this has been, and another thing is, you know, this is the first interview in my lifetime. So I'm feeling so happy about that.
I am loving this. I'm loving this interview. I'm not ending this interview. This has been the longest interview that I have done.
Oh my God.
In the last 1 year.
Oh, okay.
I really enjoyed speaking to you. And Anuradha, really from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for coming. You have inspired me to continue doing everything. Yes.
Oh,
so please,
thank you so much.
And do share the good work with other people, inspire other people. So thank you so much for coming on the show today. And thank you to each and every one of you for watching this show. She has been really amazing. She has been really motivating. And if you're looking for such transformations, click on the link in the description below and let's meet for a 5-day class and let's check it out and see whether you want to fall in love with me, because even before meeting you, I have already fallen in love with you. Thank you so much, Anuradha. Take care.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Dee. Bye.